Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to screen record. So I couldn't start by showing you from the beginning screen because you can't screen record to screen record. But I'm going to show you right now. This is the screen that you would see once you press to start. So this is the screen that you see when you start. It says stop broadcast, but right there it was to start broadcast. And then microphone on, you always want to make sure that's on so that it records your voice. So before we dive in, just a couple things about why screen recording and doing these videos is so important and so helpful is one, I only teach this lesson once and then I play it for the kids 10 times. So I'm not making those mistakes that I normally make, in the, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th time of teaching this lesson where I repeat myself or I miss something because I think I'm repeating myself. And then it's also just super helpful because the kids can play it at home, they can pause it, they can rewatch it, and then if they're marked out, they're essentially getting the same education that my students are that are in the classroom because they can message me with questions and whatnot. So let's go ahead and dive in. So I use the ByBoard HD app. This is a whiteboard app that I have loaded. Unfortunately, is not showing up in the App Store anymore, but I like it because you can load PDFs onto it. So I load my note takers right onto it, and then I can, just write, and the kids see everything that I write. So this note taker is one that would need a graphing calculator. So here's the other plus, is I can come on over to my graphing calculator. I'm going to close out of that, and you see that I already have the first equation preloaded. So then I can graph it, I can show my kids, we got the vertex already pointed out here, but it's nice using this screencasting because I can switch out of the different tools that I need to teach my kids these lessons. So the graphing calculator is here, and again, the whiteboard is here. The downfall of this would be that switching in and out of apps kind of takes a while, but that's where the editing tools come in. And then I know that a lot of people are afraid to do videos because they're afraid to mess up. But what I would say is, with the editing tools I'm going to show you within YouTube Studio how to cut little increments out of your video. So like you can give yourself like a huge star right here. And then when I go to edit, we'll know that that's going to be the place that we cut it out. I also will just sometimes play it until I see the part where I mess up, and then I can pinpoint, okay, there's where I need to cut out 10 seconds. And you'll see what I mean with that piece. So the good thing about this is when I press the stop record, which is in that top right, you see that red little dot. I'm going to press that and it'll stop the recording. So when I press that, it will automatically put it into a spot where it gives me the option to upload it onto YouTube. So that's what I will do next, but I'm going to show you, I'm going to screen record how I upload onto YouTube and do everything there. So guys, that's as easy as it gets. You just screen record. It records your entire screen. So again, this is an iPad, so it records my entire iPad screen, and then we can edit afterwards. So if you mess up, it's cool. We can go ahead and cut that out.